and 8. Tannehill throwing down the sideline. Touchdown. On first and goal. Tannehill. Lots of time on the move. Throws and the end zone. Second down. Tannehill throwing, and he's got a man. That is Ferkser. Ferkser all the way down to the Henry and fake again. Tannehill to the end zone.
Like those linebackers to be active, that toss action gets the lateral movement to foot in the ground.
Aaron Jones in the slot as a receiver, 2nd and 5. Again, time for Rodgers, and Aaron Jones is a flag down again. He gets a flag from us, sort of, and gets inside the 40 of the line. Especially on Will Harris. Aaron Jones breaks loose. He's headed for the end zone. And he's going to be in for the Packer touchdown.
Easy for Aaron Rodgers to just turn around and hand the ball off. Make it hard on this Packer offense against the Detroit Lions, and not that easy as we just saw.
I'm sorry, Chris. You just got to shed blocks. I mean, it's not just getting in your gap and gap integrity. You've got to shed blocks and get off those blocks. And when you don't, a player with Jones' explosiveness must be able to those safeties.
Yeah, I had to be impressed with his breakaway speed once he got into the clear. That was a career.
Red zone sitting at the 20, maybe just outside. Winston to the end zone for Godwin and a touchdown.
Winston to throw and has all in the middle of the field is open. All the way inside the 5. First and goal, Chris Godwin. Winston steps up on the run, completes. Chris Godwin is into the end zone for the Buccaneer touchdown.
Was by himself.
Here, but there's a pace to it right now.
And they will fake it to Gurley. Lying some pressure. Steps away, throwing end zone, and it's caught. Hitting the pylon, and he's in for the
Ridley had 2 touchdown catches. He's got one to start this one, and beautiful footwork.
McKissick, we were watching him in practice the other day, and you kept saying that. kept going, whoa, look at that, whoa. And then he comes out and touches the ball in the game and takes it the distance. Not bad for a guy who was playing wide.
Finally tackled at the San Francisco.
On 4th downs last year, here comes the house. It's buried.